The dangers of texting and driving. When you think about texting and driving, it sounds like a horrible idea. Learn more about the dangers of texting and driving, the current laws, and how you can stay safe on the roads. The dangers of texting while driving. Distracted driving is a major problem in the entire United States, and texting is one of the most dangerous distractions. Now, imagine multiple drivers all looking at their phones instead of the road. Texas laws on cell phone use while driving. While Texas was far from the first state to implement laws restricting the use of cell phones while driving, it has done some work to catch up. Ever since September of 2017, it has been illegal for anyone to text while driving in any part of Texas. In addition to the banning texting while driving, Texas also has the following cell phone laws. Select cities have banned all cell phone use while driving. Drivers under the age of 18 are not allowed to use handheld devices while driving in Texas. While having the laws in place is a step in the right direction, distracted driving continues to be a problem. If you find yourself texting or using your phone while driving, here are some tips to help you break the habit. First, put your phone away when you're driving and turn off the notifications. Next, let your friends and family know that you don't use your phone while driving, so you may not always answer or respond right away. Lastly, if you need to call or text someone while you're driving, find a safe place to pull over so you can do so. Further, driver education course can equip you with techniques and knowledge to not only be a safer driver but to better protect yourself from bad drivers.